Shockwave to my bike is not as good as the Shockwave to my phone. Shockwave to my phone is probably, I would say, maybe better than the Sena. Alrighty, I am going to get me something to eat if I can get out of here. I don't want paying attention to where my wife parked. Anyway, I'm gonna go get me some food at the garage door this time, using this new, well, not a new GoPro mount to me, but this big old thing for the front facing. Stalled it. Anyway, yeah, going to get me something to eat. Nice day. I think it was like high 60s, I think. It's supposed to rain the next couple days. Potentially snow by maybe Thursday. I don't know what that's all about. Trying out these new or different type of indie ridge gloves. The other ones I normally wear are the blue denim. I think they consider these moto gloves. They're stretchy. I like them. I don't know how much they will protect me if I go down, but I like the fit. I'm hoping with the GoPro it's more, well, it should be just face on instead of angled up like it was when I had the mount like way down here, like on the bar itself. It's a little awkward. My only concern about the front, this camera, is it's shaking right now. I wonder how well this GoPro, the image stabilization, I wonder how well that's going to do. We will find out, I guess. So I can figure out what the temperature is. 68 degrees out. Nice. Gas, $3.99 a gallon. That's Ohio, south of Columbus. Yeah, I've got the other set of pair of gloves, the blue denim gloves, and I've got a pair of their boots, which I like. Or I would say they're more riding shoes instead of boots. And then I got these gloves. I like, so far I like them. I ordered a pair of large of the denim gloves, and I thought they were too big. Like there was like, the tips of the gloves weren't to the tip of my finger. So it's like they bent over. It's like they folded over, which I just didn't feel right. So I got mediums in the blue denim, and then they're a little snug, but I'm hoping they loosen up some. That's the goal anyway. But these are mediums, and they fit me perfect, but they're a little stretchy. They're not as oh my God, it's like I don't know how to ride this bike. So they're not as flexible or whatever as the blue denim ones are not as flexible as these. Of course, the fabric's a lot different. So I'm a little early. I don't know if they're busy and where I can't get my stuff now or not, but I'm going to go in and get my food, and I'll be back. Let's see if the Sena will connect auto-magically. Yeah, this Sena like connects when it wants to, it appears. It's crazy, but the Shockwave on the rear rock helmet connects, but it cuts out. So I don't understand that. The Sena, the thing they say has tried to work for this bike, seems to freak out. I think the sound's better from the Sena. It does not cut out, but you got this big piece on the side, which I guess you don't ever notice it, I guess, really, but so I like the sound of the Sena, at least through my bike. The sound from the Shockwave to my bike is not as good as the Shockwave to my phone. Shockwave to my phone is probably, I would say, maybe better than the Sena. I guess I don't or haven't tried the Sena from my phone, but it sounds pretty good. From the bike. Through Apple CarPlay. So I don't know if I'll put the Sena on my other helmet or not. I'm hoping that they end up selling the liner from the 4.0, so I can stick that liner in this Atlas 3.0 helmet. And then it won't matter what I wear. Man, I'm glad spring and summer's coming. Bump, here comes a bump or something. Nope. Can't wait to get on a few trips. Hope to get to Tennessee and Pennsylvania, Sandusky, Ohio for Ohio Bike Week, hopefully. Thunder in the Valley, and that's in Pennsylvania, which I'll be able to do Gettysburg there. And then Tennessee, I like to go to that, what, Wheels Through Time or whatever that is. That's in, what, South Carolina? North Carolina? Because it's only like 85, 88 miles or whatever from Pigeon Forge. Hope to get out and do those this year at least. And then some local riding, obviously. Be able to do all that. I've still got some things to do to this that I've already bought, but just, I don't know if I'm lazy or whatever, but I've got the toe rest for the crash bars up front. I got the Rick Rack luggage rack, or the luggage stuff. And I've got I didn't buy their bag, but I did Route 1, I think, is the bag. So I'm gonna have to manually mount that. But I have those things to do. I've ordered a shorter. I was wondering why I wasn't going nowhere. I was in fucking third gear. Now I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, I ordered me a stubby antenna. And who knows if I'm going to get it. It was supposed to be here yesterday, or yeah, yesterday, and Amazon delayed the shipment. I mean, it's not a big deal, but FYI, I just turned down the music. I think the 4.0 liner is quieter in the 3.0 helmet. Just, I'm not going to bring that up again. I'm almost tired of talking about rear rock. So, but I think it is quieter. Sounds like it, because I've got the 3.0 with the original, well, not the original liner, the comfort liner in it, or the thicker one for it. So I think it is quieter, and I didn't even get on the freeway. But yeah, I got those things to do. I don't know, I may break down and buy the stupid garage door opener for this. It's just expensive. I mean, I'm using like a regular garage door opener right now, but it's kind of inconvenient because I put it in this side panel. It's just not very convenient to get to. you know, from my understanding, you can get to the garage door opener from your ride command system, like have it on one of your main screens or something. So that may be a little bit more convenient to mess with. I guess this ain't bad. It just pre-opened the glip box or whatever the hell it's called, and then see if you get it to open, not drop my bike or run into stuff. And I'm building a toolkit. That's another thing, with a tire plug kit, a rechargeable tire inflator, tire pumper upper. I got the tool roll. I don't know if you can see it all there since it's dark, but got some of that stuff there. So anyway, I'm out. I'm home. I'm gonna go eat. Talk at you later.